Okay. So we have the next question. Let alpha beta are the two distinct roots of this equation such that alpha plus beta and alpha into beta are the distinct roots of another equation. Then the value of 8 into k minus p. Okay. Here it is given that alpha and beta are the roots of equation 2x square minus 6x plus k is equals to 0. So alpha and beta are the two roots. So from here, first we'll find the sum of roots alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b by a. So it will be 6 by 2 minus minus will be a plus, it will be equal to 3. Then product of roots, that is c by a, it will be k by 2. Okay. And we are given that another equation, that is x square plus px plus p is equals to 0. It has two roots which are alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay. So for this equation, we'll find the sum of roots alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta, which is minus b by a. It will be minus p. And we'll find the product of roots, which is c by a. It will be equals to p. Okay. So here we have this. Now in this equation, we can put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 3 and alpha into beta is k by 2. It will be equal to minus p. Okay. And further in this equation, we'll again put the values. Alpha plus beta is 3, alpha into beta is k by 2, and it is equal to p. So 3k by 2 is equals to p. Here we have this. So in this equation, let's say it is first and it is second. From the second equation, we'll take the value of p and put it in equation 1. It will be 3 plus k by 2 is equals to 3k by 2. Let's solve it. From here, we will get k is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, we got the value of k. Now, p is equals to, from here, 3k by 2, it will be 3 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2, it will be minus 9 by 4. We got the values of k and p and we are asked for this value. Let's find it out. 8 into k minus p is equals to 8 into minus 3 by 2 minus minus will be plus 9 by 4. It will be equal to 6. So the answer for this question will be 6. It was a little bit lengthy, but not that much difficult. It was a little bit calculative, we can say. Okay, let's move to the next question.